Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Minecraft fail to login invalid session. Try restarting your game. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to open up Task Manager and then you need to end all the tasks related to Minecraft. So on search you just need to write Minecraft and end Minecraft and Minecraft launcher here. Should be no tasks on Task Manager and try to relaunch Minecraft launcher again. Next up, what you need to do here, you need to press on your profile here, then you need to log out and log in again, look if the problem persists. If it's not working, then again, completely close Minecraft and Minecraft Launcher. Then you just need to write view network connections, find your internet connection. In my case is a Ethernet cable, for you it can be Wi-Fi. Right click, go to properties, basically deselect this option here, Internet Protocol version 6, and double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Then select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server need to write 8.8.8.8 and on alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes, look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, open up CMD, run as admin, and then here you need to put few commands. First one is ipconfig /flush DNS. Another command is /winsock reset. After that, restart your computer and look if the problem persists. Also, don't forget to check Minecraft server status. Just open up browser, look for Minecraft server status and click on, for example, down detector and look if there is reports currently, basically if there is increased in reports. So you just need to look if now when you try and log in, there is a lot of reports, probably the issue is on their server end, so you just need to wait until they will fix it. So that's pretty much it.